Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about Read Aloud, which is the first task of speaking and a really important task for reading in PT. If you are new to PT, make sure you save this video, it will be really important. I'm going to cover the do's and don'ts of PT, but before that, let me talk about the actual task, what we have to do. So Read Aloud is the first task in the PT test and it's a task in the speaking section. You get 6 to 7 questions. In each question, you get about 25 to 30 seconds to prepare a passage which is on your screen. After that time, you will hear a beep sound. And after the beep, you are supposed to read aloud the passage exactly the way it's written. This task is particularly important as it fetches us approximately 20 to 22 points in speaking and 20 to 22 points in reading. Because remember, the name of the task is Read Aloud, which means you're reading and speaking at the same time. So it's an integrated task and one of the most important tasks for the reading score, although it's in speaking. Now, what you must do in this task. Number one, you must speak at a consistent speed. Very important. Number two, your tone should be consistent and flat. Number three, you should take the correct pauses. Number four, you need to speak at the correct speed. Number five, you need to pronounce the words clearly. And number six, if there is a punctuation mark, you need to understand whether it's worth taking a pause at that point or not and take the necessary pauses. Now, what you should not do in this task, that's more important than the to-do list. Number one, don't speak too fast like a bullet train. Number two, don't stress on individual words. Try to speak smoothly. You are not supposed to stress on individual words. Number three, don't take a pause at every punctuation mark. One example is, if there is a comma at the beginning of a sentence, like after words like more, over, or however, do not take a pause. Number five, don't be too fast in words before a comma or a full stop. Pronounce these words clearly. Number seven, don't skip words. If you're not sure about pronouncing a word, try to mimic the sound of the word, but don't skip words. Number eight, don't use the one-line strategy, which means if there's a passage with 3 sentences or 3 lines, read the entire passage from the first word until the last word. Don't just read one sentence and do next. Number 9, don't click the next button while you are speaking. Click the next button as soon as you finish your response. Number 10, if the passage is short and if you finish it quickly, click next immediately. Don't wait for the blue bar to reach the end. That is a strict no-no. Number 11, don't be distracted by the noise around you. A lot of people will be speaking with you at the same time in the test center. You must focus only on your read aloud. So these were some do's and don'ts of Read Aloud. Hope you appreciate the video and share it with your friends. If you need PT, IELTS or NAATI CCL training, you can find our contact information in the comment section. Good luck, I'm Malcolm. For my PT video course, in which I teach each and every task, you can purchase it for just $49 on our website mockmaster.ai. Feel free to explore it, it's free. Thank you.